detected. Who would have thought that the kazoo mines would still be hiding more secrets? We found a green kazoo! Incredible! It's the new energy! A new kind of kazoom! Give it to me! Green! I can't wait to find out what new powers it has! The blue kazoom makes hero super things, and the red villains. But this?
Oh, how strange!
And if I hit it harder? Wow!
Mega super fantastic!
No! Hurry, don't lose it! Hey, I was reading that comic first! I don't care! It's the last copy and I want it! Huh? What's that? They look like eggs from some animal. But which one? Oh!
It's a super thing animal. A lion.
And a dragon. With these powers, I'll be the coolest guy in the city. And to start off, I'll be taking that comic.
How naughty! If you play with fire, you're gonna get burnt! Or get soaked, maybe.
Amazing! Then the power of this kazoom is...
It's creating kazoom kits with animal powers!
That's what I was going to say. I'm gonna keep that comic!
I'm a ferocious lion!
And soon you'll be roasted!
You're about to find out why we're the kings of the jungle!
Stupid fuzzy kitty! I'll let it go this time, but I know just how to defeat you.
He doesn't want to admit that he needs help to beat us.
Quiet! That's not true!
Don't run, villain!
What a beastly battle that was!
Indeed. I need to keep a good eye on this green kazoom. These new wild kids are very powerful. I wonder what would have happened If more of those eggs had fallen into Kaboom City,